ZT411 series printer auto calibration. Zebra recommends to calibrate the printer whenever you're changing your media type. And for most media types, auto calibration is adequate. In order to place the image in the correct position on the media, we must first identify the features in the media you'd like the printer to detect. Second, you must make sure the sensors in your printer are set up to detect those features. Most media contains features that identify the start position. If your media has a gap, also referred to as web, or has holes or notches, select Gap Notch in the menu. If your media has a black mark on the underside of the media, select Mark in the menu. If your media is a continuous roll with no start position features, select Continuous. Please note that the label length on continuous media is controlled by the file that you're printing. Second, set the sensor type in the menu. For black mark media, set the sensor type to reflective. For all other types of media, set the sensor to transmissive. Now load the media and ribbon. Make sure the media and ribbon are fully inserted. If you have any media handling options such as peel, liner take-up, cutter, or rewind, please calibrate in those modes. If you're using media with the gap, also referred to as web or hole or notch, you want to make sure your sensor is in the optimal position to identify that feature. Move the sensor to a location where the light passes through the notch or hole. Try to avoid locating the sensor under the hole or notch radius. If your media is not a simple rectangle, such as a circular shape, locate the sensor over the leading part of the label. If you're using media with print on the underside, try to locate the sensor away from the print so the sensor does not get a false reading. Select Wizards. Select Print. Select Start Print. Select Print Type. Select Label Type. Enter label width. Select Collection Method. Load media. Hold the media forward until a label is positioned under the media sensor. Select Check. Close the print head. Select Check to begin calibration. Select Check to print a test label. Select Check. Select Home.